Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to clear the clipboard on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've copied text that you no longer need, or you've stored something sensitive in your clipboard, it's a good idea to remove those entries. Let's look at how to do that now. So I'll start from the Android home screen. To access the clipboard, we first need to open an app where we can enter text. In this example, I'll use Google Keep Notes. You could also use Gmail and start a new email, or use any other app that displays the keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, look along the toolbar at the top of the keyboard. You'll see a small clipboard icon. I'll tap on the clipboard icon, and you'll see that this displays my clipboard history. Using this view, you'll see any items that are currently stored in the clipboard. If I tap one of those items, it'll be pasted into the note. To remove a clipboard item, tap the three dots icon beside the clipboard entry. A menu will appear with a number of options. The one we're interested in, of course, is Delete. On tapping that, the clipboard item will immediately be removed. You'll also briefly see an option to undo the deletion if you change your mind. You can repeat this process for any other clipboard items you want to remove, simply by tapping the three dots beside each item and selecting Delete. Once all the clipboard entries have been removed, your clipboard will be cleared. Remember that clipboard menus may vary slightly depending on the keyboard app you're using, but on most Android devices, the clipboard is managed through the keyboard rather than the Settings app. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.